Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to enable same-channel notification sounds on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. If you want to stay alert to every message in your favorite channels, this feature is a game changer. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username right next to a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications on the left sidebar. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. This is where you can customize how Discord alerts you to new activity. Now, scroll down until you find the Sounds section. Here, you'll see a variety of sound options for different Discord activities. What you're looking for is the option called Enable Same-Channel Message Notifications. This new setting allows you to hear notification sounds even when you're already viewing the channel where the message is sent. To turn this feature on, simply click the toggle next to Enable Same-Channel Message Notifications. When the toggle turns green, you'll know the feature is active. From now on, every time someone sends a message in the channel you're currently viewing, you'll hear a notification sound, making it easier than ever to keep up with fast-paced conversations or important updates. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled same-channel notification sounds on Discord. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're managing busy servers or don't want to miss a single message. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.